Okay, so you're gonna have all the kids in a line. They're gonna go from the bucket to the bowl. And what they're gonna do is the first person's gonna scoop some water in their little cup, and then it's gonna get poured into the next, because the last person gets it and pours it in. So it's gonna take a couple of times for them to do this. It could take 15 or 20 times for them to get it so that there's a mark on here. So this rubber ducky, it's gotta float to hit that mark. Once it hits that mark, the team can move on to the next part of the relay, which is this. Everybody likes to make paper airplanes, and so what we have here is we have a wad of paper in a bucket. It's about 6, 7, 8 feet away. What the kids are gonna do is they're gonna race to make a paper airplane, and then they're gonna throw them to try to get them in the bucket. When they get 5 of the airplanes in the bucket, the team can move on. So you got the whole team is making paper airplanes, throwing them in, trying to get as many as they can in. We want to try and get 5 of them in. Once they get them in, we can move on to the next thing. So what we have here is a tub of rice, and inside of this is a puzzle. So what the kids have to do, they got to go through, they got to find the puzzle pieces and put the entire puzzle together. Once it's put together, they can move on to the next thing. The balance beam. Basic, simple, but sometimes a little bit challenging. And so what we're going to do is one at a time. The kids are going to go across the balance beam. So everybody does it. Now, if one of the kids happens to fall off, they have to go to the back of the line until all the kids have successfully crossed over. Then the last one is this. Come on, boys, come on back over here. So the last part of the relay, you're gonna get everybody hand in hand, like this, the whole team. And what they have to do is they gotta get this hula hoop all the way down, the entire team, as fast as they can, up and over, without letting go of each other. And once it hits the ground and the last person's out, that team is the winner. So let's try it and see what happens.